Brian, Portage Turf Specialists, out here on a lawn today in early March. We have ground conditions that have heaved here through the freezing and thawing cycle. I have a few thin spots in the lawn here and would love to get some seed in there so they don't become weeds later in the season. Ultimately, when you have a thin lawn, there will be weeds here later in the season. And the best control you can get for that is getting some seed down in these areas, especially if you have a thin lawn, a shady lawn. Great opportunity to thicken these up. For the most part, this lawn is quite well, but do have some thin areas we'd like to thicken up and bolster before the season begins. We call this frost seeding. Frost seeding is a way you can get the seed into the ground very economically and very effectively, as typically it's very moist in the spring. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here, we're going to grab our bag of seed, and you may either hand spread this or apply it with a broadcast spreader, but you need to very carefully just get the seed in those dark spots, in the dirt spots, and where the loose soil is, and we'll have a thick, healthy lawn here come early May when soil temps begin to get in the 55-degree zone. That requires about 5 consecutive nights of 55-degree temperatures. Look, this will not germinate. I would not worry about watering this for a good month or so, probably late April or early May, when the temperatures begin to moderate and warm up. But yeah, otherwise you're just going to rot your seed out. But yeah, get some seed down in these bare, thin areas. Look for a thick, healthy lawn. Biggest thing with this, if you're using a quality lawn care provider like Portage Turf Specialists, you're going to want to get out here and let them know that you've done this, because with a preemergent, the crabgrass preemergent, it will kill the seed. And that's one of the biggest steps in this, is let your lawn care provider know that you've done it, so you don't go out and kill all that fresh seed out there. Let's check this spot out right here. Let's come in here, broadcast some nice, I'm using a turf type tall fescue here. Get some nice seed in those cracks, and the freezing and thawing cycle will help get that in the ground and provide a beautiful seed bed. Give us a call. You need a hand with us. Brian, Portage Turf, 330-296-8873. Thank you.